Hello, welcome back to another unboxing video, but this time something slightly different than shoes, but still in that leather category. So most of you may not know this, but because I don't even think it's advertised on the site yet, but I was visiting the Stefano Bemer showroom in New York, and I noticed that on display they had some very curious pieces. So let's take a look at what those are. I'm sure most of you can start guessing by now, being that they're in leather and they're this small in a little case, what could be inside. So anyways, as you can see, Stefano Bemer is keeping true with the kind of brand consistency with the blue boxes, which they have as lids on their shoe boxes. The same type of cloth bags for these little encasing here. And let's take a look at what is inside. Now I'm struggling to get it out. Oh yeah. So Stefano Bemer is offering bespoke watch straps. So I saw these and I have a couple watches that needed replacements straps, and I thought, oh man, I saw the carpincho and I was like, I gotta get one of those. I've always kind of liked this look. I've never gone into a pair myself in shoes, so I thought, let me start with a watch and see how I like it. So here we go. Stefano Bemer Manifattura, which means handmade. And yeah, so these are bespoke to measurements that I provided them based on some other custom watch straps that I had from another maker. So yeah, I'm about to get these placed on. They put a generic buckle for me. I believe they have gold as well, but I'm gonna actually put the buckles that I have. But just to show you what they can do, let's just look at the other one. And again, another exotic that I've always been curious about, but never wanted to, well, not never wanted to, but never really had the opportunity to put them in shoes. So this is a dark brown shark skin. I've always kind of liked the texture of shark skin. It's quite durable. It's quite rigid. Good for something that you want that's gonna be hard wearing. So I'm quite rough with my watches. So I thought a carpincho is gonna be interesting to see how that wears. But the shark skin, I'm sure, is gonna take my kind of roughness and handle it well. So you can see the texture there. Really nice. Feels sturdy. So yeah, just so you can see, in case you're looking for custom watch straps, Stefano Bemer offers this, especially in a lot of different exotic leathers, which they have a pretty good selection, from alligator to shark to carpincho. I'm sure they have lizard and whatnot. Anyway, if you can't see this on the side, I do suggest you email to figure out what you can get. But I'm pretty sure whatever they show as shoes, you can get as a watch strap. So yeah, something a little bit different, something that I really like. I love watches. I actually don't buy super expensive ones, so I like treating myself to a nice strap instead. I tend to get mid-range watches, under 500 bucks, and then I can accessorize them with cool straps. So I look forward to getting these. Quite muted color in the shark skin, something a little bit different in the carpincho. I'll definitely be looking to get something a little bit more extravagant in my next orders. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this Stefano Bemer custom watch straps. Take a look at the site, and if you don't find anything there, feel free to either email up or email me, and I can connect you to the guy that can help you out. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. Take care. Bye.